In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy one item on Alibaba. Open your web browser and search for Alibaba. Click the official Alibaba website from the results so you land on the correct homepage. Once you're there, log in with your account so you can place an order and access checkout without interruptions. If you're already signed in, you're good to go. Next, click the search bar at the top and type what you're looking for. For example, you could type women's clothes. Press enter to see the results. Since we're buying just a single piece, look closely at each listing for the minimum order quantity. You want items that clearly say the minimum order is one piece, sometimes shown as MOQ1. This ensures you can purchase a single unit without needing to meet a larger quantity requirement. When you find a listing that matches your style, price, and a one-piece minimum, click the product to open its page. Take a moment to review the product images, description, size chart, and shipping estimates. If everything looks good, click Start Order to move toward checkout. On the Product Options panel, select the color you want, then choose your size. If the item offers multiple sizes, make sure you pick the one that fits you. Many listings include a measurement chart, so check those details. Set your quantity using the plus sign beside the size selection. For a single piece, leave it at 1 unless you want more. When your color, size, and quantity are set, click Start Order again to proceed. You'll now choose your payment method at checkout. If you already have a saved card or payment option, select it. If you don't, the site will prompt you to add one. Click Add a new card and enter your card details on the secure payment form. Only enter this information on the official checkout page and never share card numbers in messages or outside the payment form. When finished, click Confirm to save your payment method. Before you finalize, double-check your order summary, the item, color, size, quantity, price, and shipping cost. Make sure your delivery address is correct and everything matches your selections. When you're ready, click Pay Now to complete the purchase. That's it. You've successfully bought a single item on Alibaba. After payment, you'll receive an order confirmation on the site and by email, and you can track the order in your account's order section. Happy shopping!